Get ready to burn major calories with this cardio jump workout. Let's go. All right, are you guys ready to jump around? Awesome, this plyometric workout's gonna get those calories burning. We're gonna first start with a high knee jump rope. Now, if you're modifying, you're gonna follow what Dre is doing and she's gonna go right into a skip. Me and Casey here, we're gonna get our cardio up, we're gonna get our legs moving, high knees, all right? Pretend like you got that jumping rope in your hand. So you're also getting your arms involved a little bit here. Abs are in tight, right? Engage the core. Beautiful. Burn it.
Here we go.
Keep it going. This is gonna be a drill we do a lot through the workout, so get used to it and relax. All right, now, next we're gonna go into a jumping jack. So watch Dre for modifications. We're going right up, getting our jumping jacks. Now light on the balls of the feet. Dre, you wanna make sure you're moving your legs here, girl. Right, so that's the modification. Remember, you guys, you can modify all these jumping moves, but if you're going full force, think about getting that heart rate up, keeping your body engaged. Good job, Casey, good job, Dre, that's it. I'm getting ready to get after it. This is gonna be cardio intensive, you guys.
Here we go.
Legs are gonna be burning, heart rates are gonna be up. You're doing great. Next, we're gonna go with a forward and backward hop. So it's not a jump, it's a hop. Forward and backwards. Now, Dre, you're gonna run. Okay, so modify with a run. Casey, you and I, forward and back. Pretend like you got a line here, and it's just a hop. Boom, boom, back and forth. All right, nice and light on the feet. Remember, you want to think about landing soft, not just thud, thud, thud. Think about bending in your knees a little bit. Let your ankles absorb some of that shock. Feel that?
Yeah, oh yeah.
My heart rate's hard. I hope I can talk through this entire workout. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, guys. Keep working.
It's gonna go great.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Now we're going with a lateral hop. So over, side to side. Now, if you can, you're hopping either 1 and 2. You can leave that foot back and forth. If you're going both feet, it's a little more advanced. Side to side. Woohoo! Think about those obliques.
Yes.
Come on. All right. Yes, you're gonna feel it in your calves, in your shins.
Oh yeah.
That's good if you wear high heels. Strengthening up those lower legs. Muscles, good. Breathe it out. Light on the feet, remember, bouncing, absorbing the shock. Use some of the muscles in your legs here for that. Back and forth, side to side. Looking good. 3, 2, 1. Guess what we got? High knee runs, let's go. Pick it up. Yes. That's it. Or you're skipping, it's okay. If you're skipping, maybe speed up your tempo a little bit. Yeah, good job, Casey. Woo! Remember, engage the core. All right, when you're running like this, you wanna support your back. So tighten up your abs. All right, good. I'm gonna not talk for a second while I crush my cardio.
Crush it.
Breathe it out. 3, 2, and 1. All right, next little circuit. That's kind of like brings us back to the ground zero.
Yeah.
We're gonna go a quick burpee here, okay? Watch Dre for the walk out and the no jump. You're gonna go down, squat, jump or walk your feet out, jump or walk it in, jump it up. Then you're right back down, in and out. Good job, you guys. Now you're using your whole body. When you land right into the squat. So you use your legs. Absorb the shock with your legs.
Feel the burn.
Good job, Kate. Good job, Dre. Dre's going quickly, so that's good. Even though she's modifying, she's working herself. Last one. And rest. Just for a second. Now, we gotta move laterally right now, okay? So we're gonna do a lateral high knee. So if you're not doing the lateral high knee, remember you're marching, okay? This is the march. Let's go. High knee, move it sideways. And back. Good, good. Remember, you're getting a nice little slow lateral move. You don't need a big, long driveway. You can do it side to side, whatever space you got. Boom. I'm feeling the burn. Good job, Casey. Yeah, Dre. Oh, I'm sorry. is gonna be the squat jack. So here, you can either go down for the squat, up for the jack if you modify, or you're gonna add the jump. Down and up.
Oh boy.
So now legs, get low, keep your chest high, keep the weight back on your heels so you use your butt, okay? So you're not using your knees. Keeping the chest up. You're not hunching forward, right?
Yeah, I feel that now in my heels.
Oh yeah, my quads are saying hello, Anna.
Oh, hello. Good. 3, 2, last one. Beautiful. Guess what we got?
High knees?
Yes. I love it, Casey. Come on, guys.
I wish I was wrong.
If right now you're thinking, there's no way I can do this. I'm breathing heavy, I'm sucking wind. Guess what, so am I. You gotta move it. Do the modified version if you have to. Breathing heavy is good for you. Get your heart healthy. Get your cardio burning. Boom. My jump rope arms look silly.
I know, I don't know where this rope is going.
I was like, my jump rope was like,
Silly lady. Come on. 3, 2, and okay, next circuit. You ready?
yeah.
I guess.
All right, squat jumps. This is really gonna start to burn the legs. So squat jump, I want you to touch down and jump up. Remember, if you're not jumping, Dre, you're right here. Let's go, Casey. Get low. Feet are nice and wide. Remember, chest is up, weights on the heels. Work the quads, working the legs, and the cardio.
Praying it's over.
And the quads. And the booty.
I know. I'm totally feeling it right now.
Oh man.
Gosh. Doing great.
It's getting harder to get lower.
3, 2, 1. Nice job. Now, with hopscotch, you're gonna start on one foot and go to 2. All right? Back and forth. Dre, you're running inside, outside the box. This is a modified. Ready? Let's go. Inside, outside.
Go to your happy place.
I love hopscotch. I feel like I'm playing in the park. Come on. Have fun. Good. Remember, if you want to intensify this, move a little bit, you can start to speed it up. Woo. Very athletic. Da, 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 da. Even though I'm definitely not a dancer, as you probably know. Good. That's it. Cardio's up. I know I can hear you breathing, ladies.
Oh yeah.
Job, Case. 3, 2, and 1. All right, now we did those regular squat jumps. Now we're gonna go lateral jumps. So this isn't like this. Now we leave both feet into a squat and then add that jump. Now Dre is gonna hop. Yes, like that, awesome. Me and Casey, we're going down and up.
We are.
Good. Come on, breathe it out. You want that heart rate to go up. You're getting stronger, getting better. Next time it'll feel easier. So, back and forth.
Get your heart strong.
Come on, you only got 10 minutes. Make it worth it. You got it. 3, 2, 1. Guess what we're gonna finish with?
High knees?
Yes! Go! Come on. Pick it up. It's your last 30 seconds before our cool down. Make it great. Come on.
You almost inspired me to get in the game.
Get in the game. Dre. Yeah, Casey.
Are we racing?
Come on, yeah. Let's go. Oh, it burns so good. It burns so good.
Yes, it does.
And relax. Okay. We have to stretch 2 muscles, especially 1, quads, 2, calves for this workout, okay? So don't go anywhere. You need this, because tomorrow I want you to press play on another workout and not quit. You will be a little sore. Good, switch it up. Remember, these are great stretches to do when you're in the kitchen cooking. If you're just like watching TV, stand and stretch out your legs, opening up your hip flexors and your quads. Great way to release low back tightness, to release that muscle so you're not as sore the next day. Get the blood flushing it out, getting it to open. Now next, calves. So I like to do this one where We're in down dog. We're stretching one at a time. Yeah. And you can alternate as often as you want. Good. Oh, baby.
That feels nice.
It feels so good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. I'm like seriously dripping
I
right
know,
now.
10 minutes can kill you. Whew.
Are you guys feeling good?
Oh yeah.
Good job. Now, if you want to stretch out some more, do it. Let your heart rate come down a little bit more. We're so proud of you. Great job today, you guys.
Great
Awesome job, Dre.
Man, I'm
Yeah,
sweating.
Casey.
I know.
Nice, Jay.
Yes, Casey.